On his second day, he pays a visit to a famous Washington landmark, the Islamic Center and Mosque. Before leaving, he is presented with a copy of the Koran. At the President's guest house, Prime Minister Abdurrashid is host to President Kennedy and leaders of official Washington. These are some of the gifts given to President Kennedy and his family by the people of the Somali Republic. The next day, the Prime Minister flies to New York City, 250 miles to the north. From his airplane, he sees the United Nations headquarters for the first time. Among the flags of member nations, the flag of the Somali Republic flies proudly before a palace of glass where 110 countries assemble in peace. The Prime Minister arrives at the United Nations to keep an appointment with Sir Muhammad Zafrullah Khan, President of the General Assembly. As representatives of a new nation, the Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Abdullahi Issa receive a special welcome from the Secretary General, U Thant. His first night in New York, Mayor Robert H. Wagner gives a reception in his honor. The mayor presents him with a golden key of welcome to New York City.